Alright, today for this video, we're gonna be making a helicopter. So, yeah, on the previous video that I made with the mitts, right? Okay, so, I got a lot of goop so I can make a helicopter. And yes, I just mined through the cave for, gem right here. I already wasted on this fan in this boxes. But don't worry, I have goops. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. There. That's much better. Let's make a helicopter. Wait, how much costs? Oh, $99. Damn. Shit. Alright. Could be used like a snake or whatsoever. There, that should be good. Eh. Okay, it's only reached this limit right here. It's only reached this height limit. Just right here. What if I do this? Nope. You wanna go faster? You gotta be careful. We don't try to get to that shit. Get to that shot. Bird. What if I add more? Wait, what if I make a minigun? Shit. What if I get more? What if I get more? Wait, I have a crazy idea. We have a... It's not enough! It's not enough! Bro, alright. I'm gonna put it right here. Shit. Put it right here. Wait. Do we have sticks? Yeah. Oh shit. Dude, we lost a stick. That was recent. Oh. Do we have a stick? No, we have a stick! Oh, my bad. Sorry. Oh. Okay, hold on. Alright, we're almost there. Just gonna put one thing. This should be good. Wait, you're supposed to be like that. Shit. There you go. Look at this. What am I making? Alright. Oh shit, look at this. Hold on, have a trouble with this one. Might want to attach it. Yo, what the hell? Wait, I want to go in there. It's trouble. Is it bad? I swear to God, it's bad. Bro. I swear to God, this is... What the hell? Bro, I swear to God, this thing is slow. Do I need to add more? What if I just... Okay, this one's having trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, get to the top. Get to the top. Okay, this one have a trouble. So do I need to buy anything? Wait, so it's only fan, right? Hold on. Shit. Sorry. Hold on, let me go look at it, the fan. No! You oh, no. Is that... Alright, no, get on it. Get on that one. Oh shit, I broke it. No, god damn it, I broke it. I broke it. No, get out! Okay, sorry. It is broken. I broken. Okay, this should be good. Alright, now I gotta crawl under. Okay, it's pulling down. It's pulling it down. So, it's supposed to be like this. Hold on. What if I... Oh, wait. Bruh! Hold on. This one's forward. This one forward also. Okay, that should be good. Okay, that should be good. Huh? Did it just... Is it too heavy? Wait, what if I, So that's it for the videos. So